Welcome to Dance Spirit Club. And if you ever experienced any difficulties with three-step turn or spiral turn in Latin dances, this video is for you.
And today we're going to share with you some tricks and tips for three-step turn and spiral turn. And if you're going to watch this video and practice after that, we promise you will never have a problem with these figures again.
And let's start with three-step turn.
Guys, we're on the right foot and let's do it very slow. We're taking a step on the left foot, then collecting our feet to our weight on the right and take a side step. And in opposite direction, step on the right, collect your feet and step on your right foot.
Looks very simple.
But guys, you have to know a couple details. And now guys, I'm going to break it down. Let's do it one more time, very slow. I'm on my right, taking step left, feet together on the left. And step on the right, feet together on the right. But now I'm going to add something. You can see, I'm going to turn my upper body first. I'm going to create rotation, very strong power in my upper body. Upper body, feet, upper body. Upper body, feet, upper body. So we're turning upper body first, then collecting our feet, hop, and then take a side step. Upper body, collect, to the right, upper body. So we're creating much more powerful turn, much more rhythmical turn, and definitely more interesting. And let's do it together, guys. Please follow me. In the beginning, we're going to do it very slow, but then put some more power in our action. So, guys, we're on the right foot. Upper body, feet, upper body, feet, upper body, feet, upper body, feet, upper body.
And now, spiral turn.
And 2, 3, 4, 1.
And now, the steps of the spiral turn.
And we're going to use basic steps of Ronde. So guys, we're on the left foot and we're taking step backward. 2, step forward. 3, step forward. 4, spiral turn. 1. And let me open, guys, to you some top secret how to do spiral turn. So when we are taking our basic step backward, we're taking 2, then take a step forward, 3. Then you can see I'm keep staying on my left foot, bringing my right foot forward. So start to transfer my weight, but split your weight. Keep your weight partly over left foot. And then you start to make a turn actually on the both feet. Make a turn, and only after that placing your right heel down, and voila, you're on the right foot with the perfect balance. And something else I would like to share with you guys. Now, when you practice this spiral turn and get comfortable, you're splitting your weight and doing your spiral turn with a good control, we can put a little bit more power in our action. How? So, we're going to turn our upper body first and then our feet. You can see I'm taking step backward, 2, I'm taking step forward, 3, 4, and now upper body, 1. And let's do it together. Please follow me. Let's say keep your weight partly over your back foot. And we're taking step backward, 2, step forward, 3, step 4, and 1. And let's do it together. Follow me. But now, guys, we're going to use power of rotation of our upper body. So we're on the left, taking step backward, 2, and 3, and 4, 1.
And one more secret.
Top secret. You have to practice with your turns to get your result.